Are you tired of eating bland chicken soup? This brain healthy recipe will change your life. Packed with tender and juicy chicken, tons of fresh veggies such as carrots, celery, bell pepper and spinach, it's a bowl of goodness for cold and snowy days. And you won't believe the secret ingredient that makes this chicken soup recipe so amazing. Stay tuned to find out. Let's start by rinsing and draining 1 cup of wild rice, which is one of my favorite ingredients. Packed with antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, wild rice plays a crucial role in supporting brain health. Its nutty flavor and versatility make it a nutritious addition to a well-balanced diet. In a small pot, let's bring 4 cups of water to a boil over medium heat and simmer the wild rice for about 40 minutes. We want the rice to be tender but still delightfully chewy. An important note here, boiling the wild rice separately is key. If cooked with the soup, it tends to turn everything into a less than appetizing purple-black color. I learned this the interesting way during recipe testing. My kids called it the witch's brew, but they still enjoyed it. While the rice is boiling, we saute 1 onion and 4 garlic cloves in 2 tablespoons of avocado oil for 5 minutes, stirring often. We then chop 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of carrots, and 1 yellow bell pepper. Celery, known for fighting inflammation, also supports brain health with flavonoids and vitamin C. Carrots carry antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are not just great for the eyes, but also amazing for boosting brain function. Here's a pro tip. If you'd like to add an extra layer of depth to the soup, roast the veggies before adding them to the pot. It brings out their natural sweetness and adds a delightful caramelized flavor. Add the bell pepper, carrots, and celery, followed by 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1.5 pound bone-in thighs, and 6 cups of water. Bring everything to a boil and simmer for 30 minutes until the veggies and the chicken are cooked. While the soup is cooking, let's chop 2 cups of fresh spinach. I love to use spinach in a lot of my dishes because it protects brain cells with antioxidants, iron, magnesium, folate, and vitamin K. Spinach is such an amazing ingredient. Into the pot goes the fresh spinach. Allow it to cook for 5 more minutes before turning off the heat. When the wild rice, our secret ingredient, reaches chewy perfection, drain and rinse well with warm water. If you choose bone-in thighs, now is the time to remove the meat from the bone, cut it into bite-sized pieces and place it back in the soup. I prefer bone-in thighs for this soup instead of chicken breast. They are budget-friendly and they also have more collagen and fat, leading to juicier meat and a richer and more flavorful soup. Now let's complete the soup by adding the cooked wild rice and a bit more sea salt if needed. For a touch of heat, consider adding chili flakes or serve with chopped jalapeno. I hope you'll make and enjoy every spoonful of this warm and comforting chicken soup. Let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. These simple ingredients come together and create a symphony of flavors. I can't wait for you to try and experience this delicious soup. If you are ready to make another nourishing, brothy, and brain-healthy soup, check out this mouth-watering sausage and cabbage soup recipe. If you love cabbage, this is the perfect recipe for you.